What's up guys, AK with DCC-TRAIN. Thank you very much for your patience. Some projects like this, for example, takes longer time. And thank you for supporting YouTube channel. I'm still working on the website. For YouTube channel, you can join membership, Patreon, or buy me a coffee. All links will be in the comments and description. So if you like small steps installation, and it's a lot here, you need a popcorn probably. Here we go. So this is second BR17 made by Roco a while ago, probably late 90s, the model from 2002-3, before they acquire by German management company. So the box is orange and like sky blue. That's the characteristic. Then they change logo, then they change color of the boxes. Now it's like dark blue. Anyway, so not ready for DCC. They maybe start thinking about it, but the only one thing nice, this front coupler, I figure out finally how to install it. But in newer models, you will see universal, you can use universal coupler, which is this, but there is like special hook, you know, you can put any coupler, actually modify it if you would like to do it. So here we go. Let's start with a boiler. So I did LEDs. Let's put this a little bit on the side here. I did LEDs, show you. They not, they are different Eric, from the first model. But it's the same model, just with few modification, and also here different pipes. So those LEDs, magnet wire connected here, and I'm not using common, I'm using the blue. I'm just using one of pickup, doesn't matter which one. So the one wire going here. Now you need to take it. There is a diode under that thing. I'll try to show you. It's built very solid. I like it a lot. I don't want to compare with Flashman, but it's like more solid for me. So the diode was here on this side, right there. And I just took it out, maybe you can see it, and put like small leg of resistor. No worries. So this is wire here, which is, it's a signal for headlight. All right. And then it will be two wires from the boiler. I'll show you the top part. Also, there is hole for one, and there are another hole for two wires going here, and two wires for pickup. So this is ready. Almost. And all that steps when I'm working on LEDs, I'm waiting till CA cure, filing them, all that stuff. My Dremel with the battery quit working. Means it's still working, but it's drilling time like 15 seconds. So I'm getting new battery that will, because I have a Dremel on wire, but it's super powerful to drill something. Yeah, I just need a small file. See, that's how it's working. That's it. So 5 wires total going, 2 pickups, 2 for the speaker, which is right there. I'll show you. And this wire. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's look at this boiler. I'm going to take it apart. Yeah, it's like full. I'm doing final assembly, but I'll show you how it's tricky. With the first model, I just got lucky. I put it together. It just like happened. So I'm like, okay, I will figure out with the second one. So that's the second one. They did very smart things with the weight and all that jazz. So the weight here, okay, those 2 wires for the speaker, okay. Now that's how you just be careful with all those pipes sticking out. This is how you take it apart. You pulling, try not to show you my hands. You're grabbing here and pulling up, because I'll show you in a second. You're pulling up and kind of just pulling it out. Boom, done. Yes. The first time I opened it differently, so I used tiny screwdriver, but it wasn't really nice for me. It was complicated. So here we go. An assembly will go there in a minute. So that's the thing. And actually I'm keeping it now. If I see the same project again, I'll just keep it. That means you take it apart. Means if you would like to, you can make a hole here, install like LED flickering. Okay, 2 LEDs, orange and red, and they will be flickering. But you need another function decoder. Actually, I saw the video. Very nice guy from Europe did like lights on top, actually here, like maintenance lights shooting down, light in the cab, and I think the same video flickering, or maybe different video. Anyway, so here we go. Just be careful. This thing sliding forward slightly. Yeah, you need to release all those pipes, and took those metal pipes as well. Yeah, just 2 guys here and there. Okay, just going install themselves. All right, so carefully, just before you work on it, just see what's the small pieces. Means I'm using it for years, you know, and kind of figure out how to not touch those small parts. So you're taking this apart, because I need to take the weight, and I'll show you everything. Why not? I didn't see any videos about installation. A lot of videos, guys, showing how it's maybe 1 or 2, but it wasn't sound. It was just regular DCC, right? One gentleman in the tender, like, pretty much take the weight out to put decoder, but it was older video, I guess, bigger decoder. So that's the speaker. Okay, that's how you're doing it. Putting this back. Oh yeah, important. The first guy doesn't have like configuration different. Maybe they thinking about like steam generator soothe, and they did something. So the size for the speaker, the height is a little bit different. So I need a cut. Again, just be careful with all those small pieces. So I cut it here. See this? Oops. Here we go. Yeah. Both sides. Now it's cool. Try to avoid any touching of the speaker, any pieces of body or something. Okay, so good here. Okay, very easy. Now here we go. I might edit video, but so you're keeping that thing together. Actually, put it for a second. That's fine. There are small pieces here and there. Also, just be careful. Okay, so you slide that thing here. Okay. Then, never mind. Of course, you need to put it this first. I was very excited. Right, so the wire's going through that hole. It took me a while just to figure out everything, how it's supposed to be going. Right. Try to do my best, quick. Here we go. And longer videos I will do, guys, on DCC-TRAIN live channel, actually live installations. But this is, again, so much small steps and different, you know, approaches. Always trying. Okay, I put that cover. Okay, now I put this. See that lock right there? My thumb, and maybe you need nails too. Yeah. Okay, like that. Okay, good, perfect. Don't worry about this stuff. Just make sure it's in the center. Yeah, it's good. Now, here we go. Slide that thing. See, it's from the bottom. It's a little bit easy, not from the top. Not sure why. It's okay. We'll get it. Manage it. Here we go. So now there is try to show you. There is like actually two kind of pins, if you can see them. I'll try to show you right there. So if you're just sliding out, you need to move it up. Barely you can see, probably. Maybe here. Yeah. Yep. Those guys. So if you pulling it out, you need to move it up a little bit. So all guys together. Yeah, make sure it's in the center. Yeah, it's not. And there is another, not sure what it is actually, guys. If you write it down, what's this part for? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Like this, like that. Okay, and then everything's cool here. Just make sure you're not knocking any small detail parts, then press it. That's it. I like the construction. It's great. But I forgot about this guy. No worries. It's very flexible. Yeah, and if you forget to move it, you can slide it right there. Yeah. No problem. That's it. Done deal. Next video about tender will be short because it's also ready to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.